Welcome to the channel Freema Language. This is the place where you practice real English for real life. If you want to improve your English every day, speak more confidently, and use natural English sentences in daily situations, this video is for you. Today's lesson is about daily use English sentences that will help you think, speak, and respond in English more easily. Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to Freema Language, and comment below, I practice English every day. Let's begin. Improving your English does not require long study hours or difficult grammar rules. What you really need is daily practice with useful sentences. Daily use English sentences help you respond faster, sound more natural, and feel more confident in conversation. When you repeat simple sentences every day, English becomes a habit instead of a challenge. Let's begin with English sentences you can use in the morning. These sentences help you start thinking in English as soon as your day begins. You can say, I need to get up, it's time to start my day, or I feel a little tired today. Simple morning sentences prepare your mind for English and create a strong daily learning routine. As you go through your day, use English to describe what you are doing. You can say, I am getting ready for work. I need to finish this task, or I will do this later. Speaking about daily activities helps connect English to your real life, making it easier to remember and use naturally. English becomes powerful when you use it to express how you feel. You can practice sentences like, I feel happy today, I am a little stressed, or I need some rest. When you talk about your emotions in English, the language becomes personal, meaningful, and easier to remember. Now let's practice sentences you can use when talking to others. Common phrases like, how are you doing? That sounds good, and let me think about it help conversations flow smoothly. These sentences are simple but very useful. Asking questions is an important part of communication. Practice sentences such as, can you help me? Could you repeat that, please? And what does this mean? These questions help you understand better and keep conversations going, even when your English is not perfect. For work or study situations, clear English is very important. You can use sentences like, I am working on this now. You communicate professionally and confidently in everyday situations. Everyday life includes small problems, and English can help you handle them. Practice sentences such as, there is a problem, I need to fix this, or I don't understand what happened. Using English in these moments builds confidence and real-life fluency. Talking about plans is very common in daily life. You can practice sentences like, I am planning to go out, I will do it tomorrow, or let's decide later. These simple sentences help you talk about the future clearly and naturally. At the end of the day, English can help you reflect and relax. You can say, it was a long day, I am feeling tired. Ending your day in English strengthens your habit of thinking in English and supports daily improvement. I need to rest now. To improve your English faster, repeat these sentences out loud every day. Listen carefully, pause the video, and speak with confidence. You can also change the sentences to match your own life. Even 10 minutes of daily practice can make a big difference over time. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Freema Language, and comment, I am improving my English every day. Remember, daily practice creates confidence, and simple sentences lead to real improvement. Thank you for learning with Freema Language. See you in the next video.